Hi family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose and today I'm sharing with you a close-up look at my edges and scalp as well. So I've had dry skin for some time now and my scalp is dry as well and tends to flake a lot, but this has improved a lot over the past few years. I specifically had prescription from a dermatologist for the flaking, and that kept the flakes away for at least 2 days, and that was natural shampoo to be specific. And honestly, I didn't find that comforting to have my scalp start itching and flaking again by day 3. I remember using that for some months. Not sure how long I used it though, but I didn't see any improvement. And I was later given another prescription, which was Sebamed, and that one lasted me a whole week. So I prefer that over the Nizoral. But I've not been using that for a while now. I might go back to it though. Maybe I'll try it out again and see if I feel the same way I did about it. So what I currently use is apple cider vinegar on wash days. I'll put a link to my full wash day video in the card above and also in the description if you haven't watched it already. Now back to my scalp and edges. I find my edges dry way faster than the rest of my scalp, and it's one reason I probably don't have full edges. Well, I don't remember having full edges at any point in time though, and it's honestly not something I worry about. But that is not to say I am not mindful of hair care and styling practices that could easily rip off my delicate edges. No, I have my edges in mind when styling. So what I normally do to keep my edges from staying dry is to apply water and then oil. Sometimes I do this in the shower during bath time. I wet my hands and then apply a little water to my edges. Not like dripping wet hands though, just a little water. And when I'm out, I apply a drop of oil to my edges to keep it from drying out excessively. I find myself doing this normally on day 3 after wash day, followed by once every other day. And then if I don't get to wash my hair early, I have to do this every day to keep my edges refreshed. So I do this either before bedtime or early morning. Same with my scalp, especially when I have twists or cornrows in. When I happen to do this outside the shower, I use the spray bottle or just my hands. I put my hands under the tap and put some water on my edges and on my scalp. Or I use the spray bottle, spray some warm water on my scalp and my edges as well, and follow that with the oil. I will link in the cards and in the description the oil mix I make for my scalp and edges. This cornrow is actually a week old, and the last time I washed my hair was about a week and 3 days ago, but my scalp is not on fire like it would have been a few years back. I've ever tried washing my hair in cornrow, but it doesn't smell good afterwards and it's not something I do. So I would like to know, do you wash your hair in cornrows? Let me know your experience with that, and if you have dry scalp, what do you do to keep the flakes away? Please share with me in the comments. If you are new here, welcome to Rosie Natural. I have a lot of hairstyling videos on this channel you can watch, so please don't hesitate to look around. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. I'll see you again in my next video.